The Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus is one of the most powerful and refined Android smartphones you can get in 2024, combining premium design, cutting-edge AI features, and a flagship-level performance experience that truly stands out in everyday usage. This device comes with a sleek and modern marble gray finish that gives it a sophisticated look, making it not just a phone, but a style statement. Built with high-quality materials, the phone feels solid and comfortable in hand, reflecting Samsung's focus on durability and elegance. One of the most impressive highlights of this smartphone is its stunning AMOLED display, which delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and exceptional brightness levels. Whether you're watching YouTube videos, playing games, or scrolling through social media, the visual experience feels immersive and smooth. The high refresh rate ensures fluid motion, making everything from gaming to simple navigation feel incredibly responsive. Performance-wise, the Galaxy S24 Plus is powered by a fast and efficient processor that handles multitasking, heavy gaming, and demanding apps with ease. With 256 gigabytes of storage, users have plenty of space to store photos, videos, apps, and files without worrying about running out of memory. The phone runs on the latest Android experience, enhanced with Samsung's AI features, which help improve productivity, camera performance, and overall user experience. From smart photo editing to real-time translations and intelligent suggestions, the AI integration adds a futuristic touch to everyday tasks. The camera system is another major strength of this device. The 50-megapixel primary camera captures sharp, detailed, and vibrant photos in various lighting conditions. Whether it's daylight photography, low-light shots, or portraits, the results are consistently impressive. Samsung's image processing ensures natural colors and enhanced clarity, making it perfect for content creators, vloggers, and photography enthusiasts. Video recording is also top-notch, offering stable and high-quality footage suitable for YouTube content creation. Battery life on the Galaxy S24 Plus is designed to last throughout the day, even with heavy usage. Whether you're streaming videos, gaming, or using social media apps, the long-lasting battery keeps up with your lifestyle. Fast charging support ensures that you can quickly power up your device and get back to your tasks without long interruptions. Another advantage is that this is an unlocked Android smartphone, meaning you can use it with multiple carriers, giving you flexibility and convenience no matter where you are. Connectivity features are strong and reliable, ensuring fast internet speeds and seamless communication. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus delivers a complete flagship experience with its powerful performance, intelligent AI features, premium design, and excellent camera capabilities. It is an ideal choice for users who want a balance of style, innovation, and reliability in a smartphone. Whether you are a gamer, content creator, or everyday user, this phone offers something for everyone and stands as a strong competitor in the premium smartphone market.